Hey everybody, Dean here. Just wanted to check in with you and talk about getting your digital audio workstation ready for telehealth. And it's not as intimidating and hard as it sounds. You have to remember two things and the difference between those two things. So one is a multi-output device and the other is an aggregate device. The multi-output device is not optional. If you want to take the music that you're creating in a digital audio workstation and get it into something like Zoom or Teams or Doxy or whatever it is that you're using for telehealth or virtual care visits, whatever language you use. So the way that you create that on a Mac, and I imagine the process is similar on a PC. So you open up your audio settings. So this in Mac, you're going to search for audio MIDI setup. And the quickest way to do that is through Spotlight. But if you don't go through Spotlight, you will go through Applications. And then at the bottom, you'll see Utilities. And it lives in there. So while this is loading, I'll tell you a little bit about the difference between a multi-output device and an aggregate device. So the multi-output device is what you use to tell the digital audio workstation where to send the audio. Okay, so for example, I have a multi-output device set up for M2, which is my USB audio interface. It's a Motu M2. And then I have a digital device here, which is called iShowU Audio Capture. So since the Mac OS just updated recently, Soundflower, which is what I used to use, no longer works. I have had some hit or miss success with Black Hole, which is a 16-channel digital option. Hit or miss, like I said. iShowU Audio Capture has been the best one, best free one, I should say, since the Mac operating system has been updated. So to create a multi-output device, you hit this plus symbol and then create multi-output device, and then you'll get the options to create it. So M2 and the iShowU Audio Capture is what you would choose. So then you go into your preferences in your digital audio workstation and you make sure that your output is that multi-output device. Okay, so now that it's multi-output device, you can close that and open up Zoom or whatever teleconferencing software that you're using and the preferences, and then you are going to set up the microphone to be iShowU Audio Capture. So now your audio is coming from Ableton into Zoom, as evidenced by this test bar here. And you want to uncheck the automatically adjust microphone volume. So give you a little instrumental example here. So you see that audio is coming through as well. Now, that is the quickest way to do it, and it is the free way to do it.